Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to show you different tools that you can use to create an impressive resume so that you can get your dream job. This video is common for every field. The tools that I am going to show you will help you to create resume for any field you like. But for the convenience of this video, I am going to show you and create a resume for CA Articleship job because I had created it when I applied for CA Articleship. So it will be easy for me to show you how you can create a resume for your CA Articleship job. By the end of this video, I will show you my CA Articleship resume which I created. So watch the video till the end. So now let's move on to the video. So the first tool that you can use to create an impressive resume is resume.io. It's a foreign website, but using this website, you can create a very good resume. So how you can do is just click on create my resume. Now again, click on create my resume and this page will appear in front of you. Okay. Now on the left side, you can see everything. You just have to fill in the details. My name, Saurabh Jain, my email ID. You can put your email ID. Okay. It's upon you. Your phone number, your country. I stay in India. Okay. And city. Okay. The next is professional summary. Here you have to write 3 to 4 lines which will explain you and your qualities. Okay. There is pre-written phrases as well so that you can use these phrases to create an impressive resume. Hardworking college student seeking employment. You can take this line and it will be added in your professional summary. You can use anything which you like. Dedicated nursing student with the ability to multitask and patient care oriented. So in this way you can create a professional summary which represents you. Okay, then your employment history, where you have been employed in the past, you have to add this. Then your education qualification. Okay, add, you just have to add your school name, degree, the start date of your school or your college, your city where you did your college or school, and then the description. In this you can write the percentage by which you passed your college or school. Okay, website and social links. In this you can add your LinkedIn profile or your Instagram profile. Then the skills: effective team leader, computer skills, communication skills. Okay, in this way it will get filled up. Okay, now hobbies, you can add your hobbies. Okay, and then there is custom section. What it means that you can add your own item. For example, achievements. Okay, and now another section has been added which is known as achievements. Okay, then you can add courses or anything extracurricular activities that you want to add, anything depending upon the job requirement, anything you want to add as per your wish. You can create an impressive resume. Okay, then the only thing you have to do is just download the PDF. Okay, but the only problem here is that while downloading you have to pay some money. If you want to, you can just upgrade and download. Okay, you have a 7-day money back guarantee. That means if you pay this amount you can get this money back. So if you can afford it, you should definitely go with it. Okay, you have to just add in the zip code and you have to continue. Then there will be the payment gateway where you have to upload your payment details and you can easily get the access of this website. Okay, the next website which you can use to create a resume is Canva. Okay, Canva is a free website, so if you can't afford resume builder, then you can use Canva. So what is Canva? Canva is a creative tool which allows you to create everything from documents to resume to presentations. Everything creative can be done on Canva. So how can you create a resume on the Canva website? Is just search on the content you require, resume. You will get a list of templates that you can use to create your resume. There are many templates. Choose what you like. I am going to choose this one. Okay. Now just click on customize this template and now you can customize this. Okay. You can add your own photo. I can edit this. Saurabh Jane. Okay, then you can add anything, financial analyst, or you can do I am a CA finalist, so I will add CA finalist. Okay, then you can zoom in. Here your contact details can come. Okay, about me, it is same as the professional summary, so you can copy the professional summary from resume builder and add it here. The next thing is professional experience, the hard skills, the soft skills, education background, and achievement. You can edit anything you want. Okay, tally. Then the next hard skill, that is Excel, or if you know any softwares like C++ or anything, you can add it here. Okay, so in this way you can create a resume using Canva. In order to add your photo, you have to just click on upload. Okay, then here you can upload your file. I have uploaded my file here, so I have to just drag my photo and my photo will appear here. Okay, if you want to add new text, you can just add a text box and your text box will appear here. You can move it as per your wish. I want to add here something, so I will just add CA intermediate pass out. Okay, you can add as per your choice. Okay, you can also change the color if you want. You can change it in any color that you want. So I want it in brown, so I will pick brown and see the color has changed. Okay, so this is the way you can create your resume using Canva. Canva is a free tool, so you can download your resume without spending any money. How you can download is just click on share. Okay, then click on download and your resume will get downloaded. Okay, so here is my resume. Okay, in this way your resume will also get created. Till now I have shown you two websites you can create your resume, but the question arises, how will I be able to create a professional resume? The terms that is needed, the language that is needed to create a professional resume, how will I find it? So this next tool which I am going to show you will help you to solve this problem. So let's get back on the desktop. So the next tool, you might have heard it before as well, it's Chat GPT. Okay, if you don't know anything about it, I will just summarize it. Chat GPT is an AI tool. So what does Chat GPT does? Okay, when you search anything on Google, okay, I searched Chat GPT. Okay, what it did is gave me links, different links where I can find my answers. Okay, here it gave me www.zdnet.com. Here I will click on it and I will get the answer which I require. Okay, but what does Chat GPT does? Okay, now if you click on it, you will enter here. Okay, then you have to just click on try Chat GPT. Then you have to log in. Okay, just log in with your email ID. Okay, now what does Chat GPT does is I will just search how to make a professional resume. Okay, now I have searched it. It will automatically give me the solution which I require. Okay, it will take its own time, but it will give you a good answer which will help you to create a very impressive resume. This is how ChatGPT works. It will give you a detailed answer to your required question. Okay, I asked him how to make a professional resume. It gave me 10 steps to create a professional resume. The same if I do it on Google. Okay, what it will show me is this. how to create a professional resume, and you have to click, and then you can see it will provide you with links. Okay, and you have to just click on the link and you have to find the answer. But when it comes to chat gpt, you will get the answer beforehand only. Now we are going to create resume for ca articleship job. Okay, so I will just ask him to create a professional resume for a articleship in a firm. So you can see it has started giving the answer: full name, address, city, phone number, email address. The objective you can directly see here: to obtain a CA articleship position at a reputed CA firm where I can utilize my skills and knowledge to gain practical experience. So you can see that this is very much professional than the language that you would have used on your own. Okay, then this is education qualification, then the skills. It gives you the skills that are needed which will impress the interviewer. The experience, if you have any experience, then it's good, but in case of CA articleship you don't have any experience, so this doesn't help. Okay, then certification and awards, and then references if you have any. Okay, so you can see it has given me an entire resume without searching for anything. Okay, so if you want a different answer, okay, now you can just write create a professional resume for a articleship in big big four firms. So now it will create its own answer. See, it has changed its own answer based upon our question. To secure a challenging CA articleship position with a big four accounting firm where I can develop my skills, gain valuable experience, and contribute to the success of the firm. See, it changed its answer based upon our question. The education qualification, the skills, the experience, you don't have to add this. So in this way, you can create a very impressive resume which will help you to secure a very good position in the firm that you like or in the organization that you like. In this way, I have shown you three tools that you can use to create a very good resume. The first two tools that I showed you will help you to create a very presentable resume, and the third tool, that is chat gpt, you can use it to add very professional statements in your resume. Now coming on to my resume which I created when I applied for CA articleship using chat gpt and using Canva. So let's see how I created it. So this is the resume that I created using Canva. You can see it is the same template that I showed you. It is the same template as this one. I just changed the color. Okay, and I changed everything, every detail. You can see the career objective that you can see is I have just copied the one using chat gpt. Okay, to secure an articleship position at a reputable CA firm where I can utilize my knowledge and skills in accounting and finance. Now you can see my contact. This is my contact, the skills, the technical skills, the education background, okay, and the certification. Here you can see I have just deleted this one. I've deleted professional experience because I don't have any professional experience. Okay. And I have also deleted this achievement. Instead of it, I added certification because while you apply for CA articleship, you need to have two certificates, that is IT certificate and OT certificate. So I mentioned it here that I have the certificates. Even I just changed hard skills and soft skills into skills. So you can edit your CV the way you like. It depends on your choice of the colors that you want, of the way the content should be, of the way the content structure should be, because you can also change this, like you can add skills After technical skills, okay, you can add this certification anywhere you like. Okay, so it depends upon your choice. You can use Canva at its fullest. You can use your own thought to create a very impressive resume. So in this way you can use chat gpt and Canva. And if you afford some money, you can also use Resume Builder. It's a very good website if you can afford some money. Otherwise you can use Canva and chat gpt, and it will make your resume look very professional. For those students who are going to apply for CA articleship, I have provided the link of my resume. You can use it, just change the name, change some details, and you can use that resume to apply for any CA articleship form. And if you are finding it difficult to understand as to how to apply for CA articleship forms, how to search for CA articleship form, I have created a detailed video on it. I have given the link in the description box. You can see that video and you can understand how you can apply, or you can find the CA articleship form that you require. And that's it for the video. If this video provided you with any value, or you understood anything, you learned anything, then just like this video, share it to anyone who needs it. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you so much, and bye bye.